What's up, TRC fans? Don't miss our upcoming event, TRC Street Kings at Palm Beach International Raceway.
What's going on, guys? My name is Kevin Albrand. This is my Turbo 2003 Acura RSX Type-S. So it's got a JDM K28 Type R built by JBR Engines in Tampa. It's got a Drag Cartel 2.2 cams, Ferreira valve train, Ferreira valve springs, 90 psi springs, Ferreira Competition Plus valves. It's got Arius pistons. It's got the Carrillo Pro HD rods with the car bolts. It's got a ported Type-S oil pump. And it's got LA sleeves with an O-ring in the middle as well. It's got a KLM custom Sidewinder, a T4, with a Precision 67-66 turbo. It's got a 66 Precision wastegate and a Tile 50mm blow-off valve. Currently the car makes around 840 at 35 pounds of boost. At the track, it sees upwards of 40 to 45 pounds of boost, so that's your guess on what it can make there. I have a 6-speed transmission built by Dale and Gear Driven down near Fort Lauderdale. It's got a PPG 1 through 4th. First and second is dog engagement. Third and fourth is synchro engagement. 5th to 6th is stock for cruising. It's got an M Factory LSD. It's got a stock final drive. It also has a competition twin disc clutch in it. For the street, the wheel setup is a Wed Sport TC 105N 17x9 with a plus 25 offset. It's got Choyo R888Rs on the front and then just regular street tires in the back. And for the track, it's got a Bellac 13x10s with 24.5-inch by 9.5-inch slicks. Currently, the best time I've gotten on this car was a 1044 at 148. We had a little bit of an issue with the transmission cable. It was melted, so going into fourth gear was kind of weird, but we're gonna try again this week and see if we can't get this car into the nines. So I bought this car back in, I think, April of 2013. I bought it to have it as daily. It was Type R swapped. It had K-Pro already, AC, power steering. It was a pretty good car. Just over time, I kind of snowballed into making it into a race car like it is now. First, I didn't want to go turbo because I was scared of breaking transmissions and all that nonsense, but I went through it, had some fun, and then now it's going to be a full-on race car after next year is going to be pretty serious. Well, as you can see, it kind of started raining, so we've moved sides to keep everything dry. But so back in 2013, I had a Ford Focus SVT, and it was giving me issues, and I wanted to get rid of it and get something else. And I remembered when I was in high school, I got beat really bad by an RSX Type-S, so I went to look for one, and I found this one in Alabama, in Huntsville, actually. I drove down, checked it out, ended up buying it. It was a good car, had AC, power steering. It already had the Type R swap, and it had K-Pro, so it was already a fun car to have around. And I had a friend that had a Turbo RSX, and I rode in his car a couple times, and after that, gave me the bug and started snowballing into what it is now. So right now, my current goal is to get into the nines, wherever that is, a 999 or a 950. Because if I'm in the nines, you know, I could die happy doing it front wheel drive. And for the future goals, we're already piecing together an all-wheel drive kit, and I'm going to be parting out most of the car and changing up the turbo setup, transmission, and all that, and throwing a 7685 on there, you know, go all out, and eventually, hopefully, if everything works out fine, end up having the world's fastest RSX to the quarter mile. So the fuel setup is a MagnaFuel 750 Pro Tuner EFI fuel pump, dash 10 feed to 8 injectors. 4 of them are Siemens Decas 2200s, and the other one are Victory machine injection for 1300 cc's. And the fuel we're running is a Ignite Red 114 ethanol mix. Just want to give thanks to JBR Engines, who's always been helping me out and always with crazy ideas that I have, getting engines done for me quick and out to me wherever I'm at. To my tuner Chuko, who's always been helping me out, you know, getting the car running right. And most importantly, my wife, who somehow still supports me with my crazy addiction to this car and hasn't gone crazy yet. And yeah, and all my friends that's helped me out along the way. Also a special thanks to TRC for giving me the opportunity to show the car off and get it on video, and keep you guys updated with the future project and see how everything goes from there.